Hi guys, welcome to Brick Designed. It's Jesse. For today's quick build, I'm bringing you this couch or this living room set. So I'm going to be doing shorter videos more often. So rather than longer tutorials, I'm going to be doing these what I'm calling quick builds. So it'll just be individual pieces of furniture or small builds. They'll hopefully be under like 2 minutes. But hope you guys enjoy. If you're new here, definitely consider subscribing. I try to post every Sunday, and then now I'll be posting more often than that. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well at Brick Designed.